Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be talking about a game that hasn't been mentioned on this channel before, called Nids, Buses and Trams, a Polish based transport game on Roblox that has received quite a large update. Let's get straight into it. Firstly, we'll be starting with the trains and routes. The most notable thing added in this update is a brand new metro line which cost around 60 Robux, which is line M1 that replaced one of the old tram lines. It's heavily based off of Metro Line 1 in Warsaw and currently operates between Kozanów and Górka Narodowa stations as seen on this map, with the depot being located at Kozanów station. Also included is two metro trains which are in the same family and both made by Metro Wagenmarsch that you can drive, which are the 81-717/714.3 and the 81-572/573.2. The models have been painted into the Warsaw Metro colours and they look pretty accurate and sounds really nice when driving.
Następna stacja
Nowosądecka.
Stacja
Nowosądecka.
Drzwi otwierają się z lewej strony.
There has also been some additional new tram and bus models added, which are the following. And as well, a bunch of routes have been modified, including a new bus operator as well. We're now moving on to the miscellaneous stuff. Excluding the multiple bug fixes, there have been some major revamps to some parts of the map, which looks really nice. They've even added another country into the game. Yes, you've heard me right, another country, the Czech Republic, and even a few towns inside as well, which is kind of crazy. Now, you may be asking yourself,
why is Croydon included when it's actually nowhere near Poland?
well, before Ned's game got an update, I was originally going to do a video on the recent Croydon update back in November, but I decided to include this segment in the video anyways. So, what is new? A new menu screen? That's cool, I guess. Another E300 pack? Tad a bit expensive, but sure. Updated Croydon companies and operators? Interesting. A new bus that's somewhat local to me? Oh, I like the sound of this. How much is it though?
Hell no, man. What the
17,495 credits. What? Right, time to take another loan from the bank then.
nie wierzę, co się dzieje, jak kura z głodu pieje, jak wilkołak do